Hey, it's Dan McDonald. Welcome to the daily video show here on the Life Regenerator channel. Today I've got my all-time favorite smoothie in the whole world. It's a coconut durian smoothie. So check this out. I just went and harvested coconuts today. And so what I'm going to do, well, let me show you first what I've got. I've got a handful of coconut meat, and then I had to clean the durian. Let me show you what a durian looks like. This is what a durian looks like on the outside. It's very spiky. And on the inside, you can see they're ripe. This one's a little bit moldy, but it's not really a problem. Actually, that's just on the outside. The inside is well protected. But you peel that apart, and when you see this cracking like that, that's how you know that it's ripe. I'll give you another example. Boom, without the mold. Cracking, and then you know that the durian is ripe. So I had to go through and clean the durian off and pull the seeds out. I'll show you one of the seeds here. This is what one of the seeds looks like. So you clean the meat off the seed, and then you toss all that durian in the blender. I'm going to add some Life Essentials because I like the way the Life Essentials taste and the texture that it gives. It doesn't hurt that it's all 22 essential amino acids either, but it's really the taste and the texture on the Life Essentials here. And then I'm going to add maybe a quart or so of coconut water. And I'll blend that up. That's going to be divine, I already know. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Just pure heaven. I don't have that many smoothies, but I sure love this one. Oh yeah. So I'm getting powered up. I'm making food. I got the quinoa cooked. Like I told you in the last video, I gotta do the quinoa first, and then I'm doing the potatoes, then I'll do the vegetables, and I'll layer that on there, and then I'm going to make a curry dressing. I'll try to put that on video here. Coconut and curry over the top of quinoa, potatoes, and vegetables with a nice coconut curry on top of there. And then I'm going to go to church and play the drums and serve salad and quinoa and crackers, and it's going to be an epic day. So thanks for watching this video. This is just for, for no reason at all, just to keep the flow going here, I guess. Durian is like ecstasy. It's amazing. One of those ancient fruits. Peace.